Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Paul.
So just a little bit about me. I'm a developer specializing in Python. The main industry that I do specialize in is the e-commerce industry. I also specialize in automation, basically automating mundane jobs that take up a lot of time for people and companies.
This channel has three main goals. So firstly, it's showcasing all the cool projects that I have done on Python. Second is using Python on how to automate the most mundane and boring tasks in your life that just take up a lot of your time during the day that are, for the most part, can be done much faster using Python. Thirdly, there'll be videos on Python tutorials from data science, from trading, like automating trading strategies as well. And lastly, it's gaming as well. So subscribe to this channel for upcoming content. I look forward to having you as a new viewer.